as personas, we are not lazy, we are not procrastinators. It is because we are living in a life of comfort. Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody. It's Petra and Rafael here, and today we are going to have a little coffee chat with you about why are we lazy, why we like to relax and procrastinate. We just found out really cool thing about this, and we have to share this with you because I think you might use it in your own life, right? So where do we start?
Well, a few weeks ago, our car broke down and it created this discomfort for us because we had to change the things that we were doing day in and day out.
We were kind of rushing into the stores. Like the whole day we had to get all our groceries and some clothes and then come back from the shopping, and it was still in the rush and still running, and then the car decided probably that it will break down because it just wanted to save us or something. So we found out that our car doesn't work, and we were thinking in back of our minds that we would like to meet with people more and we would like to interact with more people, and that's exactly what happened after our car broke down.
And we wanted to be home and make videos.
Yeah, and we wanted to, because the car is broken, we are actually doing this video because we just wanted to make something good out of this all.
Yeah,
right?
And we don't have anywhere to go.
Yeah. First of all, we can feel very blessed that this car is broken, so we don't drive. Maybe it's saving us from some other situations which we shouldn't experience on the roads. And immediately after the car broke, we got another car substitute from Rafael's father, and now he's back from his vacation, so we just are making this video because we decided we are not going to push against this. We are going to accept what we have now and just slowly move into this
new lifestyle,
new lifestyle, yeah.
And we have been in this hypnosis. We just went shopping in our free time. Otherwise I was working, you were cleaning. We were doing the same things over and over again, and we felt lazy. I felt lazy. I was coming home from work, I was tired, I was on my phone, I was watching funny YouTube videos, and we didn't move forward with our life, with our project, with our wishes. And what we realized was that it is not because we are as personas, we are not lazy, we are not procrastinators. It is because we are living in a life of comfort. We created this egg of comfort for us.
Yes.
And and it's very natural to do this. Every human's brain strives for comfort, the path of least resistance, the easiest way.
Yeah.
It wants to be comfortable and safe. But when we are comfortable, we are not growing. We are not accomplishing new things. We are not truly moving forward.
We don't speak to new people. We don't do new things. We just do all over and over the same things. And because we were doing all over and over the same things, and something in our environment has changed, then we were just forced to do different things. And it's also about, for example, discomfort is, for me personally, I love to clean when I feel stressed, and when I feel so tired, I just I couldn't relax in the past. I just had to clean. I just went to my drawers and I reorganized my drawers. You know, what?
Yeah, I remember those days when you, like, just one day after another, you kept telling me how you want to reorganize our bedroom, and we still were supposed to move stuff around and
Yes.
buy a new mirror in IKEA, and then you decided that there must be a better one.
All the time. Okay, let's not. We will make a video about being worthy, and you can just watch it. Maybe we'll post it somewhere. You know, you can click on it directly later. And it is also because I wanted to be worthy, you know, to relax, because I was taught that I am not allowed, as a little child, I was not allowed to really sit around too much. I had to do stuff and help in household and
work hard.
And work hard. Everybody was taught to work hard. But sometimes I heard also Ido Portal. He's a famous promoter of movement. He also said that sometimes it's more challenging for him to not move, to just stop and just like stare on the ceiling or just like be, because it's very big discomfort. And also for me, when I was cleaning like crazy, everything had to be perfect, it was just my comfort, and I just couldn't stop, because when you stop, you have to be with yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You were having a tough time to just relax a day.
Yeah, exactly. And so maybe you are thinking that you're lazy, but you can observe yourself what you're doing when you think you're lazy, because I am 100% sure you are not relaxing if you think you're lazy, right? You're not relaxing. You're still occupied with something. Either you're watching videos, or you're messaging with somebody, or you're checking Facebook accounts, or listening to YouTube videos. But if you really want to be lazy and relaxed, you can just stop everything and just be by yourself. You can't do this for 10 minutes. Or I can't do this for 10 minutes. And this is when you can say, oh yeah, 10 minutes I was really lazy today, and just enjoy the laziness, right?
And this is more being in the present moment, if you're not distracted with anything, if you don't have any new input or doing something which you're used to do.
Yeah.
For me, it was just so comfortable and so normal to pull out my phone whenever I had a free minute and scroll through YouTube. It was just my comfort, and you suggested to me to remove this YouTube. And well, what do I do then? What do I do with this free time? Because it occupies hours and hours in my day. So I need to do something else. I am changing something if I am creating this discomfort for me. For somebody else, it might be something different.
Yeah, it could be also that there was a outage of electricity and he couldn't get to his YouTube. But because it happened to us, outage of electricity, and we couldn't get to internet, that was also a bit discomfort.
Mm-hmm.
But we coped with that. But normally...
And if we think about the creative minds, the great people, successful people that achieved something in their life, I don't know any single one that has had a goal, they were achieving it, and then they stopped because they created it, they created wealth, so from there and they could just enjoy their life. They still were going on and on and on because it was their passion. And they did it because they were constantly putting themselves in some sort of discomfort. That doesn't mean they had to have no money to be uncomfortable, but something. And your father is a really, really cool example for this.
What?
Because I find that he is creating this life of discomfort around him constantly, 24 hours a day.
But it's his comfort.
And this is his comfort again.
Yeah. So
say a few things that he's
it's
doing, for
good.
example.
It's sometimes good to catch yourself to not do stuff which you do all over and over again. And yeah, we can talk about that later. But I had something on my mind about the comfort and discomfort, and I forgot it. I have to write it down.
You might remember. I just wanted to share that her father is very disciplined, and he's, for example, waking up very early in the morning every day. He's doing exercise. He's going to cold showers, and he's still in this discomfort and still accomplishing something every day. And it makes you feel good about yourself. But even this, the cold showers or the exercise can create for you the comfort after a certain time. And from there, you're also in this bubble where you're not really growing anymore. And when you start to do something else that it makes you feel uncomfortable, you can achieve more.
Yeah, and it's also for me, I usually don't sleep very well when I eat at night. And I used to have these emotional eating situations a lot. So I ate before I went to sleep, and then I had bad dreams. And I knew that that was comfortable for me, and I had to step in a discomfort to just not eat before I go to bed, because I just couldn't sleep well, and I had dreams, like crazy dreams. So if you try to remove some food before you go to bed, maybe 2 hours, 3 hours before you go to bed, you will have much better sleeping and much better, resting of and restoring of your body. The second thing is, if you have a boyfriend, and you're just like, when I was a teenager and we were messaging, and now I thought, he didn't message me, so I will not message him. But my comfort was, I will message him back really quickly, So I couldn't really resist, and I had to message back, And I had to, I thought, I will wait until he comes, he processes something and he comes back to me. Or when Raphael is mad at me, sometimes I'm thinking to me that I will wait until he processes it. But in the past I couldn't do that, and I was very uncomfortable letting the person to process it, because I thought it's just like, oh, he's mad at me, he will leave me and stuff like that. And then I went back immediately, and I wanted to fix it. So it was my comfort. And so think about that. You will not have to be in your comfort in this, and you don't even have to message somebody else back, immediately, right? Or just reply back. It's your comfort. It's their comfort, right? Also, when, for example, now we are so used to message immediately back. When you receive message, somebody is expecting they are going to reply to me immediately. In the past, it was a month, for example, waiting for a letter, and now it's like 30 minutes, and you start to think, oh, what's wrong with the person? I am uncomfortable now. I don't know what to do because I am depending on this. It's so fast. Everything is really fast in this. Yeah. So just if you will be willing to be in this discomfort, it will bring you so much value. Like, first of all, life will not do it for you, which is the biggest thing. And then if life does it for you, life does it really well. So you have to really then mobilize everything. Mobilize everything, all your inner strength.
And you will.
But you can do it for yourself. So if you're waking up late and you want to start waking up early, and you're really wishing for it for a long time, just start to little bit train it, because if you're really wishing for it, you might also be forced by life to do that, because it's your wish, right?
And because you're not doing the actions that will move you there, life wants to move you there. So think about the things that are comfortable for you right now, that you can turn into a certain level of discomfort in your life, so that you can achieve your goals, so that you can move where you want to go.
It could be easy, like you go to brush your teeth, but you don't floss. And the flossing is uncomfortable so much. It takes time and effort, and you don't know how to do that. So you just don't do it. But in long term, you might really benefit from flossing. Or you just stop eating before you go to bed. Or you don't reply to somebody who sent you some unpleasant message. You don't reply immediately. You just put yourself in this discomfort and let it process it very well, and then you reply, you know?
Or you delete an application on your phone which you're using many hours every day. For example, Facebook or Instagram or YouTube. Just delete it. What will you do with the free time?
Yeah, you will not be comfortable, and you will definitely not be lazy. And if you will be lazy, it will be restorative laziness. Yeah, I think so. Or they will,
Yeah, if you're really just by yourself, calm. In the beginning, it might drive you crazy a little bit, but in the long run, if you do it more often, more regularly, it will restore you very well.
Yeah. So, and if you want to share with us what's uncomfortable for you and what you are changing about your life, it can be really small things which are just as playing with your life. So you can just share it below our video, or check our website, or check our Facebook. We will put all below
in the
this video in the description. Yeah. So have a good day, and good luck with your discomfort.
Yeah, enjoy your discomfort.
Yeah.